James, and today I'll be telling you about my top 5 reasons why I love my Dodge Charger RT Daytona. What's up, you guys? It's your old friend James here, and today I'm going to be telling you about my top 5 reasons I love my 2018 Dodge Charger RT Daytona. That's one of them. All right, reason number 1 is it's a V8, right? The last car I had was a V6. It was an Acura TL. It was just a commuter car, straight up and down. No thrills or frills about it. It was not a particularly fun or engaging or exciting car to drive, but served its purpose for 5 years. After that 5 years, I was ready for something different, something a little bit more lively, something a little bit more American. And so I wanted a Charger. It's not because I'm black, but it is because I like V8s and muscle cars. And so I got something new. I got a 2018 Dodge Charger RT Daytona. And the reason I got it, one of the many reasons I got it, was that it has a V8, 375 horsepower, 395 pound-feet of torque, and it is fun to drive daily. And that's something that was missing from my last car, was power and sound and excitability in the car. It just sounds good. It sounds good. It sounds like America. You stuffed it in a bottle and then you poured it out into a whiskey glass on ice, no chaser, and you sip it and it goes, you know, it just, Reason number 2 is it's practical. Now, besides gas mileage, right? This car is pretty practical. Besides gas mileage, it is practical, right? Let's see, what am I averaging on gas right now? 16.1 miles per gallon, which is actually more than my Acura TL. And my Acura, I was averaging like 13.5. I don't know how that's possible. I was doing a lot of city driving back then, but still 13.5 is atrocious. And it took premium gas. This takes regular gas. But here we are, and I'm paying less in gas for a Charger. But yeah, so practicality. It's roomy. It's like a living room in here. These chairs are super comfy. The features that I have, the sunroof, the sound system, the heated and cooled seats, back seats are heated. I can fit my son in his car seat right behind me, and my seat can be just like this. And then we can also fit his stroller in the trunk and more stuff on top of that. We could feasibly take a car full of adults with luggage on a road trip, and this thing will be comfy enough to make that happen. On the flip side, when I drive to work and I want to get on it, morning coffee with a side of American bald eagles, I can do so. And that's the number 2 reason I love this car, is the practicality. The 3rd reason I love this car is the looks. The looks, I mean, there's nothing else like it on the road. You can definitely tell when there's a Charger on the road, especially at night with the long LED strip, rear taillight. It's pretty easy and identifiable. And then it's the only 4-door muscle car that you can currently buy. I mean, yeah, maybe the CTS-V or the Chevy SS, but they don't make the SS anymore, and the CTS-V is more sports car than muscle car. But I mean, from all angles, this thing looks good. From the front, from the back, from the quarters, from the side. It just has this aggressive look, like it's always going fast. And even though it's on the same chassis from like 2006 with a couple of refreshes, basically, Dodge has managed to make this car age very well into 2023. So the Fourth thing I love about this car, and if you've watched any of my other videos, you would know that I love Apple CarPlay. This has Apple CarPlay, and it's almost a non-negotiable at this point. I love the fact that I can get in the car, plug up my phone, and it's just mirroring the iOS from Apple that I use 8 hours a day already, and it makes working with this car for navigation, for phone, for music seamless. I mean, Uconnect is okay. It's not the worst infotainment. It's definitely not the best infotainment, but the fact that I have CarPlay really makes that irrelevant and makes all the auxiliary functions of this car a pleasure to use. The fifth reason I love this car is the connection it can bring to other people. I've had people literally break their neck watching me pass them by. I've had people ask me to rev the car at stoplights and to do burnouts, and I've had coworkers ask me about my car. It's cool seeing people take an interest in something that you're so passionate about already, and there's somewhat of like a pride factor to that, and it's just cool. I haven't owned a car yet that people took so much interest. All right, guys, that is my top 5 reasons of why I love my 2018 Dodge Charger RT Daytona. I hope you like this video. I hope if you're looking for a Dodge Charger and you're, you know, on the fence about getting this car or another, I hope it helped you make that decision. Like, subscribe, follow me on my Instagram. I'll put it somewhere here, and yeah, let me know what videos you'd like to see on the car, if you'd like to know about the modifications I did to it, if you'd like to know what driving it is like. Maybe I'll do some POV videos, and I do have some plans to continue modifying the car, and I'll upload those here. And yeah, all right, it's your old friend James. I will see you guys on the next video.